You are kind of a scrawny bird. You get obsessed with your babies. You get obsessed with your toys. You get obsessed with your toys. Oh, you like to play. Yeah, you should exercise. Who has wings? Look at Boo. Uh-oh. That was a bad idea. Oh, hey. Come here, I'm going to teach you something. You need to learn. You need to stop right here and you need to learn. You need to learn. Nope, you need to learn. Hey, spread your wings. Who has wings? Do what Boo does. Do what Boo does. You are so obsessed with your truck. Yeah. Are you gonna poop? You're gonna have to go to your cage. Because you know what? You attacked my boyfriend. My boyfriend deserves to live. Oh, Gucci, 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 goo. Oh, Gucci, 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 goo. Well, baby, you have to go back to your cage. You're a good bird, but you have to go back to your cage. You will do that. I know. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not gonna hold you because then you won't get off. Okay, I'll hold you. Okay, will you go back to your cage? Oh, you're gonna go poop, aren't you? Here, go poop. Go poop. I'm trying to teach him to poop right there. Go poop. 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 You can poop right there. You can poop. Poop. Yeah, Boo knows. Boo is the best trained little cockatoo. We have to go to your cage. You're a very good bird. Misha-bird. Peekaboo. See, you're kind of pissy. Yeah, and no. Here, you step right there. I'm gonna unlock your cage. Well, pretend to fly all you want. I got some cashews for you. I got some cashews and nuts for you in here. You're gonna have to go back to your cage, Mish. And I'm sorry about that. Yeah. Well, if you want to try and murder my boyfriend, yeah. I'm gonna wheel you over to your cage. You bit me last time. That's why we use it. This trick. Oh. Oh, damn it. No, that was not funny. That was not funny. Usually I'm faster than you. Yeah. Peekaboo. Good girl. Hello. Very good bird. Oh, Misha. Hello, look, you got some stuff in here. I put some cashews. It's funny because, hey, I don't like this feather mutilation thing that you have going on, Misha. We're not gonna start that. Just because Boo does it doesn't mean it's cool. Okay, now you're just gonna preen like normal. Okay. Yeah. You're kind of fucked up, Boo. Mm-hmm. You're good stuff. Misha.